friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. It's Friday finally, and I love Fridays and I love the weekend. And today I have a cook with me video for you guys. This is one of my favorite videos to record for you. And today is a special video because I am going to make a recipe, and it's not for me, it's for my friend. Let me tell you, it's going to be baked beans. And the history about this recipe is that I learned this from a neighbor of mine back when I used to live in Tennessee. And he never told me the recipe, but I tried to recreate it, and I think I did it. I don't know if I don't know if I have the same ingredients, but let's see. You are going to need a baking pan, or if you have one like a glass one, it's okay. But you're going to need a baking pan, baked beans, brown sugar, hickory. This is brown sugar hickory. I will use 2 cans. Okay. Onion, it doesn't matter. This is the one that I like, the purple one. You will need bacon and honey. I never said this right. Worcestershire sauce and mustard. And if you want to add more brown sugar, you can add it, but I am not going. The steps are very simple. You just need to cut the bacon, cut the onion, put them in a pan, fry them, remove the grease, put your beans in the pan, and then you add all the other things that I already showed you. But don't worry, I will go through the steps again. So let's start cutting the bacon and the onion. Everything, my pan is already hot, and I will add the onion and the bacon. So let's start with the bacon. I cut it in medium pieces. My friend back in Tennessee, he used to put the bacon strips all over the pan at the bottom, and then the beans, and then more stripes of bacon. But I decided to cut it, so this is better if you want to eat it like in a cup or a little bowl. So that's why I cut them, but it's up to you. Now I will wait until the bacon release all the grease, and then I will add the onions. Okay, the bacon is good. Now I am going to add the onion. And when this is ready, we will add it to the beans that are already here. I already showed you. And now I will do the sauce. Let's start with the sauce. in a little bowl I add 2 tablespoons of the sauce that I cannot pronounce the name. Let's call it the W. Then mustard. This is a new one. Let me open it. We will add 2 more. And I always do this by eye, but for you I will measure it. If I feel that is missing something, I will let you know. Let me turn that off. And the honey, 1 and 2. Now I will mix this. And it's gonna look like this, right? Now we will leave this rest a little bit. And now let's get our beans. And let's add the bacon and the onion. Wow, this smells amazing. Smells amazing, guys. Okay. Let's put this right here. We have a little bit of onions in there. I am going to mix this with the beans. And now let me change from the spatula to the spoon. Now we add the sauce that I already made. And we mix. Now it's up to you. If you like it very sweet, you will add brown sugar. But because the ones that I purchased, they were with brown sugar, I am not going to do it. I used to get the ones with maple syrup, but I like the hickory kick more than the sweetness. Now I am going to taste. Guys, you don't need anything else. Now that everything is perfect, you will put back your aluminum foil and this will go to the oven for 1 hour. And you wait and relax. After 1 hour in the oven, this is how they look. And as you can see, everything is mixed. You will love this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.